Hello everyone, welcome to the Industrial Safety Training Session. I'm here to answer any questions you may have about staying safe while working in this environment. So, what would you like to know?
What should I do if a robotic arm malfunctions?
First, stop the machine using the nearest emergency button. Then, report the issue to your supervisor. Let me show you where the emergency button is located on this assembly line.
What personal protective equipment should I wear in this area?
In this area, always wear safety goggles, gloves, and a helmet. These protect you from debris and moving parts.
In case of an emergency, where should we go?
In the event of an emergency, you should head to the nearest assembly point. Follow me and I'll show you where it's located. This is the designated assembly point for this area. Make sure to remain here until you receive further instructions from your supervisor or the safety team.
What should I do if I see a spill on the floor?
If you notice a spill, it's important to act quickly to prevent accidents. First, block off the area to ensure no one walks through it. Then, report the spill to the maintenance team so they can clean it up properly. If you don't have any more questions, let me remind you of the key points we covered today. Always follow safety procedures, use your protective equipment properly, and know where to go in case of an emergency. By following these rules, we ensure a safe and efficient work environment. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility.